for views from here. So let me finish this thing so you can see here. This is the actual stand. You can see. So let us make a quick update about the tractor situation right now. So you can see here everything is painted. Yeah, I can see the wheels are mounted. All the things inside is fixed. You can see here this is for the rear wheels I have to mount, but actually they are just like this, but they are not mounted, so I have to mount it behind, and then I have to install the motor. This is the huge motor for the traction. You can see here the motor has a wheels and then a belt for the two motors. So you can see inside here there's actually nothing inside, so the two motor will sit inside with the belts like this. They will sit inside like that, so you can see, and then there we have a huge traction there, and then I will increase the power for the tractor. You can see here, so it's beautiful views from here. So let me finish this thing so you can see here. This is the actual stand. You can see. Oh, it's good, it's good, it's good, it's nice. Okay, let's see in the next video. I will show you how it is in the next video.